Me would have basically right now in this day and age put over alkaline, would have put skill over him.
May I represent for one Media Fox?
Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest news them lock? Media Fox, Media Fox. Trending, non stop. Media Fox, Media Fox. How the latest report them?
People are gone, you don't know a Media Fox, you know. Yeah, man, I come for talk Fox. Is what I try to say. Yeah, man. We see Chris Genius run out. Like him want lily up alkaline thing. But let me tell you this, you see as a vlogger, brother. Chris Genius, me I tell you something. You see as a vlogger, we know the biasness. But me tell you this, brother. You see when you have a platform and have fans, bro, go do your research. You understand? Do your research before you turn on the camera there. You understand? Rather than a video yourself a chat one bag of nonsense, brother. You understand? And I look like a fool. You see it? Yeah, people. No don't hear him say him put SKILLIBENG over ALKALINE. Fine. For him opinion, we can't beat him by that. See? But me I play a little piece of clip here.
Who you think? Dancehall. We can talk about reggae too. Artists. We are pull the crowd now. And when we attack the crowd, you know, we are talking about 1,000 or 5,000 people.
Yeah, I'm going 1,000.
10K or more, and that we are talking about. You know. The dancehall artists, them right now, presently 2025, we think can pull the crowd full of arena by themselves. We don't talk about no group up.
Yo, I'm tell you this, that.
So, we just hear it a while ago. Remember no people. Remember him say artists will pull without a one bag of artists pull 10,000 whatsoever. Zin? Alright. This are the thing. A lot of artists I do what them have to do and thing, you see it? So listen what him just say, you know. Zin? After all of what him just say, I play a next clip here.
Alright, pause. Boy, tell me what I mean about pause because I even forget what I'm gonna ask, you know.
Yeah.
Why you say Alka?
Why me say Alka? Because I see.
One show we see when doing.
And one show me see me
for a year, you know, where at 12K, you know, 12,500, you know. Which other show you do after that?
Alright, you just hear the clip again. Zin? So people, remember, you know. Remember him did say 12K, like him say 10K and over, Zin? And the brother pull up, say yo, Alka, 12K. So here I go say no, you know. Cause this are the thing with them, some of them vlogger, you know, bro. They not no sense, you know. So him go say, yo, which other show ALKALINE pull 12K? Bro, ALKALINE did new rules in Jamaica. We over 12K, brother. Zin, because we know the line where you go down now, you know. We know who you try to prep up now, you know. Zin, we know who you try to prep up. But me I give you benefit of the doubt. Brother, there are many shows with ALKALINE do, brother. See Sands too. Sands where them did all have to change all the venue. Because ALKALINE, them have to change the venue, to do the venue, brother. You understand? ALKALINE the UK. ALKALINE do 2 shows. 2 new rules at Jamaica. The one at 2022. More than over 12K, brother. You see what I try to say? So, brother, you see when you come on your platform and I chat one bag of thing, bro, get your facts straight, bro. Cause me I hear you talk, you not do no research, brother. You not do no research, bro. It's like you forgot. You see me? If you hate for a reason, I hate with facts, bro. You see what I try to say? Hate with facts. You see it? Because you cannot come on the platform and talk and you not research so you can prove with what you say, brother. You see me? That are the thing, bro. You can't say, yo, which other show ALKALINE do. ALKALINE do many shows when do over that, bro. And just because we don't know, say, people like Uno, not highlight them thing there. You understand? Because you know, see, a man I do finally do him one bag of shows, them and I try compare and I try do this. You understand? Like you know want take away what ALKALINE been doing, bro. ALKALINE been doing shows more than that, brother. It's just that a man forward and them a hype up some numbers and Ray. We never did a hype up about numbers. We just say your fans come support. You understand? And that are the thing, brother. See? But people, may I play that next clip here and listen what him say.
No, me I tell you.
But now since they had ALKALINE on the bill, they must get a venue can well over 10,000 people.
Alright, that are two events. Alright, 10,000 people.
I solo show already at Canada where we upon him. Plus him have no rules at Jamaica. Don't I see them at Chilani.
Solo, wait, man.
When they have no rules, when they post no rules at Jamaica solo yet.
It Canada one, remember, event you can hold 1,000 people, you know. And the 1,000 tickets sell off and it sold out, you know, remember. I just know, me not say. No, me not say.
So people, you hear what the brother say. Zine and him bridging with the beside him, because it look like him have more liquor sense. Zine, this are the thing, people. The man I tell him say, yo, Ray, Zine. And the man I tell him, him I go tell the man say, yo, that are too sure. I say, brother, yo, the brother, yeah. Chris Genius. Bro, you think say you have brains, but you don't have brains, bro. Zine? Because you are going to say a 1,000. Here, you know, brother. You are going to say a 1,000 people are the capacity. Zine? For the Rebel nightclub in Canada. Cause look how me I go rub you out now, you know. You can't say, yo, you're dunce, you know, brother. Because only dunce people not read. Them not go do research before them vlog. Zine? Brother, why would a man like ALKALINE would have prep up for do a show 1,000 people can hold now, brother? Brother, let me show you this. Look on the screen. You see 3,750, yes, brother. Rebel nightclub in Jamaica. In Canada. Where you get your 1,000 from? Just because the brother say, yo, it's sold out. Zine? Where you get 1,000 people from? Why you know before the vlog you go do no research, brother? Rather than come on the platform and bring down artists. Brother, when you have vlog, we know say every vlogger I got bias to them side and whatsoever, bro. But don't come on your platform and try to bring down an artist when you don't have the facts for bringing down an artist, bro. You understand? Because you doing that now, when people go research, when new rules are keeping in Canada, and then Google the capacity, bro, are you gonna look like the dunce and the fool? Cause how you are gonna say a 1,000 people all in the club when a 3,700 and add? See? Yeah, that put at the that away them have as the capacity 3,750. See? That are the thing, bro. And this is the thing to brother. Because me know where you go from the get going, bro. You are try compare where Kartel do to the other rest of artists them, bro. Zine, and at the end of the day, Kartel do small crowd to brother. Cause now go on like say yo, a Kartel do a big shows, bro. Kartel go VPI, bro. VBI. Zine or BVI. In a British Virgin Island. Sure. And about 5,000 the promoter say. You see it? 5,000. So, you know go on like say a Kartel alone, he might do every whole I'm sure them are some large numbers. No, brother. You see it? Kartel do him thing, him just get him time for touch the road. Nothing wrong with that, bro. You see it? But when not talk facts, bro. Don't come pan the YouTube street, I go talk about, yo, a 1,000. And that I got sold out, bro. You have to stop it, bro. Do no research, bro, and stop look like dummies. You see it? Stop look like dummies, bro. See it up on the screen. A 3,750. I don't know where you get 1,000. Bro, and if you are 8 artists, 8 for a reason, bro. You see it? 8 with facts. You see me? But people, I go play a next clip and hear what I say.
I 1,000 people, but me I say, what me say crowd pull up?
But sure, say, the venue name of ALKALINE are going on, I want over 5,000 people.
But me tell you 10K or more. So me know I hear about no 5,000.
Just get 2 show and pull over 10K.
Yeah.
Me say I don't have full you base for you. You can't.
Which other show in full like that?
Really, nigga?
And that wasn't I doing alone. I would talk about this already.
But me there a fame show.
But I will take a show.
It matter a fame show.
So people, hear what him say a while ago, you know. Him say, him no want hear about no 5,000. Zine? A 10,000 and up. But, me know, the artist when I try to prep up a cartel thing, you know. You understand? And who a pull and ray. Remember, you know, him say him a put SKILLIBENG over ALKALINE. And now we no pull up where Skilly do, you know. And now. Zine? And now we no pull up no numbers, nothing with Skilly. But for sure, you can start about say, yo, him no want, you about no 5,000 and 10,000 and up. So me I say, wait. Me know say the artist we are about for prep up thing. Him do less than 5,000. See? Him do 5,000. Less than that, cause remember, you know, we know the media stay and then we pump numbers and one bag of thing. Anybody can say how much in numbers. See? But we not gonna take that. You see me? But we are just work with where the promoter them say. See? So him only want say everything to make ALKALINE thing look bad. You see it? But in the long run, I get ricochet. You understand? But people want to listen the next piece of clip here. What am I say?
Yeah. Me say I don't have full you base for you. You can't.
Which other show in full like that?
Really, nigga?
And that wasn't I doing alone. I would talk about this already.
But me there a fame show.
But I will take a show.
It matter a fame show.
So the brother we sit down beside him, Zine, a while ago. Zine say, yo, I don't know, you be ray. He must say I over show. So the brother say, yo, I don't know, sure. Zine, he must say, yo, him alone. Zine. So brother, what you talk about? I don't know, sure. What you mean I not him pull it? So wait. With Kartel thing, when Kartel a keep Freedom Street, how much artists them they have on the flyer? Me go ask you again, Chris Genius. How much artists, if I that you go use, how much sure Kartel do? And when you look at one bag of artist company show, rappers and everybody. What you go say? Them not help too? Because who depend I don't show a Movado and Governor what me know about, and I think some other rest of artists. I think must be Shensia. Zine. But the fact is that I don't show. You see it? Anyway you take it. But because you want to bring down a man thing and bring down other artists thing, you want to prop up another man thing. Cause if I that route there you go, brother, you go lose in that, bro. You understand? You go lose in that, brother. You see me? See bounty show come up. Who you sip on it? I don't know. Movado, Massacre. You understand? Everybody I use people and whatsoever ray. First of all, them I use artists where big I do them thing. Seem like where Kartel I do and where Ray I do. Remember, you know, people, him a go say who take the show. I don't want to take him show, brother. You understand? I don't want to take him show. Zine, I don't know which artist you still a prep up. You try to prep up Kartel thing. And if you ask majority of people, if I know Massacre take the show, if I know Migos youth, when name from Migos take the show. If you ask them who and who take the show, we Cartel, we call and pad, enough people can tell a different artist take the show. You see it? But I don't want to take him show. We're sure of that. In performance and everything. But some Cartel show and him really take it. Everybody know that. Because him a call on some bigger act. You understand? And him a give him the strength. 21 Savage, you see me? Eakan. Them take the show to a massacre. You see me? That is it. Zine. Alkaline. Use artists where they really staple them thing. You see what me I try to say? Like the UK show. Zine, the UK show, you don't know Roger Weil and Armani. Them youth, they are young artists. Them just forward in their business. Them don't really have a catalog yet. You understand? So understand with that. You see it? So anyway you take it, Alkaline, I pull it. You see me? Cartel have theme show. Him have the international act them. Him have big artists. Him have Da Vinci. Him have Massacre. Him have Shensia. Him have Neo them. Lil Kim. Name it. Name the big artist. SKILLIBENG. Name the big artists them on Cartel show. You understand? But what? We not get up and say, Ray, a Cartel a headline it. You see me? We not go be Ray and say, yo, this and that, this and that. But what? We know say, yo, them pan the app, them pan the show is a plus. Because them a bigger art, them a bigger artists. Where people, where them have them fans and Ray, it's not like some artists where you could have say, yo, just fall off for years and not come back or whatsoever. You see me? But, people, you play the next piece of clip here and you hear what I say.
You know, realize that more people in that day ram up more than everybody else show where you talk about.
Me give Sean Paul.
So long you take your fika Sean Paul in your dad.
No, Sean Paul.
Alright. Wanna see him reaction, cause this are the thing, you know. Enough artists I do shows from a long time we have pull great crowd. Sean Paul, Shaggy, Popcorn, them, the whole of them. I pull big numbers, bro. Zine, but true Cartel come from prison now and I do him thing. When him first I do it now. Zine, them I try mix it up with other artists thing like saying other artists never really a pull certain crowd. You understand? Because back then them never highlight them thing there. You see me? But through the eye scene and the social media more powerful now and Cartel thing a show and everything. You see me? But them kind of blackball with the other race of artists them I do. Zine? Cause you notice a while ago when the brother say Sean Paul, him pull off a craft, you know. You understand? Him pull off a craft. You see when the brother say, yo, Sean Paul. You see what him do? Him no? Yo, when it takes so long for call, I never Sean Paul him want hear. You see what me I try to say? I never Sean Paul him want hear. You see it? Him the want hear say, the brother say Cartel. And that him want. But through the brother say Sean Paul, you hear him pull it off. Look how long, Ray, this, that. Remember say a wedding, they must say Sean Paul on the dancehall. Zine? Remember that. And that them did say wedding, say Sean Paul on the dancehall. You see it? But we don't know the hypocrite and the thing we're moving at the music business and certain things. You see me? And that are the thing people. With them people. You see it? Yeah man, but we are going to play our next clip. And look what I say.
I don't know about Sean Paul already, dog. So him, people wanted, he mentioned that automatically people want to Sean Paul.
Yeah.
When I see man them bring back, when I see best of the best, dead and Buja bring it back.
Most people up inside there.
Over 38,000. Then see the job poster, this is what 38,000 look like. You know, overhead chat. Jump on them.
Alright. So guess what, they can't tell you anything.
So basically the brother bring up the best of the best show with Bursa and them and Buju them do. Zine, the best of the best. I think I in Florida. Zine, the brother tell him that and he must say, yo, 30,000 them pull and Ray. Zine, say Mark who keep that and Ray and this. Here what am I go say? if a promoter can't tell lie. But Mr. Chris genius. So if you say the promoter them a tell lie, so you promoter them for the others and show them can't tell lie too. The artist where you a try prep up. Cause everybody are gonna know down in a video the artist where you try prep up for try for destroy the others and artists them. Moves where them a make. Zine? So wait. So when Kartel Atlanta show keep with you and them say it's sold out. And when you look in a stadium, in the arena, you see empty seats. When other artists numbers pull up, when Kartel artists them pull up sold out and ray. And when you check it, seats still in there. The promoter cannot tell lie to. Only one set of artists the promoter them I tell lie with. But when it reach to a particular artist, the promoter them I tell the truth. You see, this are the thing with Uno in the dancehall space. And this is why the music can't even move and certain little things can't even show. Because when they come on the platform, with the viewers them, try to bring down artists and them work with them put in over the years. Zine, both physical self out there in the world that dominate in front of crowds of them true fans. And they try to downplay what the people them do. So you are gonna come out and say, Barry Saman and Bojo, big icon artists. And the man tell us the promoter say 30k people. And you hear what you are gonna say? If promoter can't tell lie. Look how much you show Kartel do. And we see a lot of evidence. Our Guan. Zine? He may even have New Jersey show come up. And if you pull up right now, you can look on this. A lot of tickets more there sell. And who to tell? You're going to see sold out there. You're going to see sold out put up. May I tell you? Zine? But it's shown up. Because you're going to say, yo, bury some of them. Zine? Bury some of them. Yo, 30k, yo, promoter lie. Zine? That's a sound of bring down the people and bring down the art, even the icon them, for make them thing look lily. You even ask who keep the show. Brother, you see, if you can't vlog the truth and orchestrate what you talk about, brother, you better not do it, dog. Cause you just make yourself look dumb this, brother. You see it? You make yourself look dumb this, bro. You see it? Cause you go say, numbers come up, promoter can tell lie. Then promoter can tell lie for everybody then, brother. You understand? You only want promoter to tell the truth about one man show. And the other rest them now, a lie for them. Bro, I saw to bring down people, brother. And that's why the music business can't even go too far out for go. Cause when people reach up there and bring them out, bring them down, then for highlight them and respect the words where them put in over the years, bro. You understand? And I just saw to take deal with the thing. You see me? Yeah, man, I saw to deal with the thing, man. You see it? But people, I play the next piece of clip here now. And you hear what I say.
The show.
Kartel, man, no.
Just listen to how much places you see Kartel go since he started the show.
People, when I just hear what I say a while ago. So finally, the artist when they want pushing or when want prep up him, just call him name. Vybz Kartel. Him finally call it. Cause I saw you have to read them up from the get-go, you know. If you see what them a try, put things, you know. So he must say, how much show Kartel do for him come out. Zine, how much show, you know. Remember this. Kartel only do but a Florida show. Zine, him do the Barclays show. Him go do the New Jersey. Him go do the, what you call it? Zine, him go do Atlanta. Him do Atlanta already. You see it? Him do the Caribbean. Some part in the Caribbean. You never get to the Trinidad and whatsoever. Zine, brother, I'm gonna tell you this. The artist them do show for 13 years when Kartel go prison, brother. You understand? 13 years the artist them do one bag of shows, thousands of shows, 100 shows. You see it? The artists them a do, bro. Kartel just start the shows, bro. On a big scale. If you never know that, him couldn't go nowhere when him there road, brother. Him would have to do sting and certain little events and Sunfest, bro. You understand? It no matter how much show Kartel do, bro. The artists, when him there prison, the artists them did do one bag of shows. Them a fly go England, Canada, USA, Africa, all about the place, bro. Australia, different places. No flicker thing. Kartel he's just a late bloomer now. Him just at those shows, brother. So where you are, what kind of car they are trying to pull off now? I ask how much show Kartel do. I don't understand, bro. You not go on like say every show Kartel do is an arena him do show, you know. The most arena the man do, brother. In a what you call it? In a USA. Him do once in a Guyana him defeat in a stadium, they move him and put him in the car park. And him still never full out the whole car park, brother. You understand? So you not go on like say every show him do since him come out a stadium or arena. No, brother. As me said on a BVI, man, 5,000 people come out. You understand? 5,000 people, brother. You understand? And that are the thing. You only look on the big show them with Kartel do, and I use. You not talk about the small one them. The Barbados one and the Bahamas. You not talk about them show there. The BVIs. You not talk about them low capacity a crowd there. You understand? You only highlight the one them when doing a Barclays and Ray. And use that to bring down other artists. And that you do. You understand? You highlight only the good. And not highlight only the lower part. The part of the capacity them where ma do. You understand? So I them thing you do, brother. Bring down other artists. And when they come on the platform and I chat, one bag of thing and now do no research, brother. You understand? If you have vlog with truth and talk things with sense, brother. You understand? Yeah, but people, listen, I'm gonna say something again. You see me? Yeah. I have to beat and teach him, you know. You see me? Pray this.
Yeah, me tell you why I'm not gonna put SKILLIBENG in it. SKILLIBENG is not a part of it. You know why I'm not put him?
Why?
He not have the catalog.
Yet.
He not have the catalog.
So people, here it goes again. Zin? So, remember from the first get going on. Remember him say, yo, input SKILLIBENG over ALKALINE. See, in the name why, in the say why or whatsoever, you know. Remember say a crowd pulling thing them I talk about, you know. You see it? And arenas I do and one bag of thing I do. We know hear nobody has called Skilly name in it. See? But him go say, yo, input SKILLIBENG over ALKALINE. See? But now, him go say, him not put SKILLIBENG in it because he now have a catalog. I say, brother, you see what me I try to tell him? I tell you, say you ricochet yourself, you know, brother. Me say, that brother, yeah, that brother name, 4,000 odd. He about 4,000. A 400,000 view subscriber I have. And him only a pull some 3K and some 1K views. And I say, yo, how that brother? You see why you pull them a little, bro, people are watching your thing and he's like, brother, you're not credible, brother. You're not credible. You see me? If you be biased, bro, but you have to speak the truth, bro. Stop tell lie. You understand? Because people are going to do them research. Same like how you say, yo, a 1,000 people thing sold out for ALKALINE News in Canada. Which is a big lie, bro. Big lie, brother. You understand? Big lie, brother. You can't say that, bro. That no make no sense. Yo, that brother. Yo, brother. Me I tell you, brother, sometimes, please, just do your research before you say certain things, dog. Cause you look dunce, brother. I mean, no, you never go up on Google and check how much people in a club. Or how much you can hold, bro. You see? I know you never do that, bro. And you say if you did do that and forward and talk, bro, then things will make sense. But, brother, you're not credible. You see me? And that's why you're not really to get no views, bro. Cause me I see where you make some talk for already and I say that brother, If you feel you're going to reach nowhere, brother, it's not going to work, brother. You understand? You can't have 400,000 subscribers and you only get 1K and 3K views and them small views, brother. Show you say, you're not credible, brother. People them not take you serious. You understand? Yeah, man. But people, they don't know media facts, you know. You see me? And me not rate the people them who are try to bring down the artist them thing and them not credible of doing that, bro. You understand? Because at the end of the day, you have to give man him thing. Kartel do him shows them and a sold out him shows them. Nothing wrong with that. You understand? He might finally do it, he might do him thing. Him just come from prison people and see him. You understand? Nothing wrong with that. It expected for him sold out the thing them. Him have a huge catalog and him have him fans them. You understand? We can't take that from him. You see me? But when you go use what Kartel do, for try to demolish the man them thing what them do over years, bro, you go wrong this, brother. You understand? You go wrong this, dog. You see me? But people, we don't know the thing set, you know. You see me? You don't know media facts, you know, yeah, man. That's how we deal with the thing. You see it? Yeah, man. Bless up everybody. You see me? That is it.